I need you, yeah, I really do. Tell me what to do.
Okay.
Tell me what to do.
Okay.
Tell me what to do. All I know is hit the mall and see what damage I could do.
Okay.
Deep down, I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy.
So I'm gone, yes. We hit the club, niggas cups full of jealous. We in the bag and we mugging the T.I.
Walker, thank you for wanting a verse from me. Apologies for the wait, sometimes it's hard to get the distractions up off you.
We made it to the beach. Look at Mark. This is so cute.
Cardi's bumping, Molly's stomping, Jacka's on my mind.
We got strawberry and coconut.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Woke up with my girl last night, so I went to the club. Put on a fresh white suit and a mini coupe, sitting on love. I'm really looking for somebody to talk to and show me some love. If you know what I mean. Everybody jocking me as soon as I stepped in the spot.
So we are at the mall. It's 150. I just have on this dress from Shein. This is our food, y'all. Roasted potatoes, Puerto Rican sausage, drinks, fries, chicken, rice, all that. 8:56, and we're at this ice cream place. I found it on TikTok. It must be really good because the line looks really good. It's all the way down there. So we're gonna try this place and hopefully it's good. We made it inside of the ice cream place. Cookies and cream and strawberries. morning, you guys. So it is January 8th. Y'all know what that is. That's my birthday. It's my birthday today. So we are going clear kayaking. Later on, we're gonna go out to eat. This is my second birthday on YouTube, so that's so exciting. Yeah, so we are all ready to go. I'm finna order the Uber right now. We're going kayaking. Okay, you guys, we are all ready to go.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying,
Okay, y'all, we are in.
I'm talking about dark perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy.
We are currently at Walmart. I seen this stuff on Pinterest of like the little birthday look, like the little cute stuff. Like, I'm gonna show y'all. I like this like look. I feel like it's so cute. Oops. These are all of the cakes they have. I'm just gonna do the cheesecake. I am back from the store, and this is what we got. The pink balloons. Happy birthday. This is what the cheesecake looks like. So cute.
She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was down out like last week. Tell me, where have you been? Yeah, came out of hiding.
So we blew up all the balloons. There's Marty. That's my bag. So heavy. Watch all the Hey y'all, so we are at the restaurant. We actually have to wait like 10-15 minutes, so super excited. This is my outfit. This top and this skirt.
This is the bib, period.
So we are all seated. We just ordered. I got fish tacos and white rice and beans.
The kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no love for me, it's only you.
We're getting ready to go down this slide. Right now we are walking in the rainforest, like really over there. And yeah, this is how I look. Right now we are on a little break from our little ATV riding.
hit you like I will. My only wish is I die real. Cause that truth hurts and those lies heal. And you can't sleep thinking that he lies still. So you cry still, tears all in a pillowcase. Big girls all get a little taste out. Pushing me away so I give her space out. Dealing with a heart that I didn't break. I'll be there for you, I would care for you. I keep thinking you just don't know. Trying to run from that, say you're done with that. On your face, girl, it just don't show. When you're ready, just say you're ready. When all the baggage just ain't as heavy and the party's over, just don't forget me. We'll change the pace and we'll just go slow. You won't ever have to worry. You won't ever have to hide.
Hey y'all, so right now we are at the beach and this is how it looks. Okay, there's Marnie. We're gonna get ready to go in the water, so once we get out I will talk to y'all again. We just got out the water, now we just sitting here. So we are at Ben and Jerry's.
I forgot we forgot
Got
to.
some ice cream. This is the little
I got
view.
sweet cookies. Y'all know I love sweet cookies.
We had Rose and Scooters over here from the beach. We are walking over here by the water. We just got done eating our ice cream. And like, y'all, it looks so freaking scary. It's getting dark. And so like, it just looks so scary out there. I don't know. But yeah. Y'all, somebody over there getting proposed. Turn the flash on.
Thank you.
Aww. So we are currently on a tour. So we're just at this beach walking around.
Same for the rest right here. You can pick what's on the inside. There's some even seafood ones. There's octopus or shrimp if you're into that. So you have to like
We're gonna get some food. Something from out of here.
They back calling me splurge. Ride me jump right off the curb. Business man fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crack up the phone, I swerve. Keep me a stick with that curve.
This is powerful element in this town. I saw this lady. I saw Juisa and her. Juisa was our chief when Spain come here. This place was a bigger place of Tainos, Indian Tainos. And it's the only place the chief was a woman. This is a real lady now, you see? And the spirit, because she come from the past, the planted because we are fruit of her. Mm-hmm. But important here is the expression, no? She tried to say, I'm here, take care for your culture, take care for you, yeah. But this is powerful image, no? I made this painting maybe 15 years ago, many years.
They working my nerves. I'm about to pour some syrup.
Thank you, God bless you.
Oh, thank you.
I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over, tasted and call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm dead. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you fail. I always want the truth, but it's dead. You got something real, I bet.
surprised me with a card. Hey, Baloo! Thank you, Tashana.
You're welcome. Hey,
Hey, Trinity! Hey, Trinity!
Happy birthday to y'all. Hey, to y'all.
Just wanted to say happy birthday to such an icon. You are great. You deserve everything good under the sun. And may God bless you with many,